I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the image. Search Google Images and select a photo that fits your screen. Once you see it, use tools to filter by large so resolution is suitable. Then right-click or long press and choose Open Image in New tab. This isolates the file and ensures you're not saving a web page snapshot. Make sure the image's dimensions match or exceed your display resolution, because scaling up later reduces quality and creates a blurry background. Once the image is in a new tab, save it to a folder you can easily find, such as Downloads or Pictures. On Windows, navigate to that file, right-click and choose Set as Desktop Background. You can also adjust fill, fit, or stretch in personalization. On Mac OS, open System Preferences, go to Desktop and Screensaver, and add the folder or drag the image into the preview to apply. Make sure to choose the Display Scaling option that preserves aspect ratio to avoid distortion. For mobile, save the image to Photos, then use the platform set as Wallpaper Flow. On Android, open the image, tap Menu, set as Wallpaper. On iPhone, save to Photos and choose Use as Wallpaper with Move and Scale enabled. Once applied, check Lock and Home screens to confirm alignment. If the image appears pixelated, make sure you downloaded the original file size. If issues persist, clear your browser cache and re-download, or choose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.